Hey guys, how's it going? Quick tips video and quick update video. So here we go. What is the one thing that every single session guitarist must absolutely have on their pedal board? And the answer is a clock. Why do you think I would need a clock here? So it's really simple. If you're in the studio and you're recording something, it's nice to know how much time has passed, and if you're paying for the equipment rental for the studio itself, it's nice to know how much time has passed. But if you're constantly checking your phone or checking your watch, you may appear rude. And I personally, when I play live, I don't wear a watch, and it's nice to have this time reference. So that's my tip. Very easy. You can get these Chinese clocks for like $2 on eBay. So in terms of my updates related to music, I'm kind of winding down my live performing at the moment. Spring is here, summer is around the corner. But in this downtime, which I have, I want to figure out how to use MIDI. And as Steve Strelacci says, he calls himself immediate. MIDI it. And yeah, I'm also, well, even more so immediate. I have no idea what I'm doing, but the goal is to set up a MIDI track in my laptop so that when I'm performing live, which when I will at some point, I play to a backing track. The goal is to have my computer switch my sounds so that I don't have to select presets, I don't have to select snapshots, and potentially even the expression pedal position will be sent via MIDI to my Helix. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. And yeah, I have a few projects at these, these Russian music festivals. So yep, keeping busy. And once I figure out how to use MIDI, and I'm actually having my friend come over at some point, maybe next week, to try to figure this out. Once I really streamline everything, I will make a very detailed video how to do it, because there's no information how to do this exact thing. All right, thanks for watching. Good luck.